In this video, I'm sharing the Simply Earth recipe box for the month of July. The theme this month was bath and spa. Taking like aromatic baths is such a really effective way of getting all of the aromatic and therapeutic benefits of essential oils. So this is one of my favorite things. I don't take baths enough. I need to. I don't sweat that much. So Epsom salt baths with essential oils are really good for me, especially, and I just need to do it more. So maybe this will help me. So actually, sorry, before I show you everything you get, this is their monthly subscription box. So this gets sent every month. It's $45. And then when you use my code, if you're not already a subscriber, you get $45 back and a gift card to use on future purchases. So it's a really good deal just to try it. And if you love essential oils and feel like maybe you just don't know how to use them as much as you want to be able to, this is perfect because you also get enrolled in a course, like an essential oils like 101 course. When you subscribe, it's just their education and the quality of oils is really good. So anyways, that is my little talk on Simply Earth. I love them and I've been a subscriber. I've shared their boxes for like 2 years now. I love them. So you get 4 oils every month. This one's Palmarosa. I'm using a new setup, so I don't know where to hold my oils. So I just did a whole video on Palmarosa, so I'll try to link that down below. It is a really good oil. It's used a lot in perfumery. This one, it can be substituted for rose if you have rose in an essential oil blend or recipe. It smells like it's very like layered, and it's like you can smell a lot of different notes each time you take a whiff. And when I first got Palmarosa after like 3 years ago, maybe, it smelled like iced tea, and it still kind of does smell like tea, kind of like leafy like that, but it's very sweet and floral too. Oh, each box has what the aroma is. So this one says sharp and floral. I would say it's more like earthy floral. I don't think it's sharp. That's just my. Oh, also I have Palmarosa and Tangerine already, which are 2 oils that come in the box. So I'm adding those to my giveaway pile. And I think I might start doing my giveaways on Instagram. They're just not very effective here because I feel like people don't come back and to check the comments. So look on my Instagram. I'll put that down below too, so I can do my giveaways there. This is downtime. So you usually get 1 blend and then 3 single oils. Side note, if you are getting an oil that you already have or an oil that you don't like, you can swap out the oils. I just get their box standard issue so that I can show you how it originally comes. But this is a blend of frankincense, marjoram, bergamot, lavender, and hoe wood. So very grounding and uplifting. Downtime. Let's see. Ooh, it smells good. Lots of lavender, a little bit citrusy. This is really good. This is very like calming. Downtime is a good name for it. So that would be such a good blend for a bath. And Tangerine is next, which I already have this one. So the one I'm showing you is the one that I already have, and then the new one will go in the pile. The Tangerine is citrus oils are the freshest oils. Oh my gosh, smells so good. This one, like a tangerine versus an orange. Tangerines are a little sweeter and like more uplifting. To me, where orange can be kind of calming sometimes, so tangy, that's a good. Tangy citrus, smells super good. These oils oxidize quicker than regular oils, so make sure you put your citrus oils on tight and make sure they're not like in direct sunlight. And then you also get eucalyptus globulus this month, and eucalyptus I've also done a video on all of the benefits of it, and I have it already, so I'm not going to open this one either. Clean and herbaceous. It's very like medicinal to me, like the Vicks Vapor Rub, like that type of thing. It just brings me back to that. But eucalyptus is really good for respiratory support too. So I'm interested to see what they're going to use it for. It's kind of like the spa type of like eucalyptus, rosemary, lavender. Lots of spa vibes, so I can see why that would be in here. Okay, so recipe cards will be in the side. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 recipes. On the back, there's info and different things too. This one is oil, which is really cool. Stuff about their blog, YouTube. They give 13% back to help end human trafficking, which is amazing. That's a huge amount. And then a note from Katie, which is their aromatherapist within their company. So you get an exhale bath salt recipe card. Bath salts are so nice to use, especially if you're sick or not feeling well, but also just like super relaxing. I love Epsom salt baths too. Summer Breeze bath salts. So let's see, 2 bath salt recipes. Oh, a rose sugar scrub. I love rose, and I love sugar scrubs, so I'm probably gonna make this one first. But this, I'm assuming, use these. So you get a little package of dried rose petals for this one. And then you'll also need solid coconut oil, which will come in your big bonus box. And I'm not sure if I said that already, but during your first shipment, you'll get a big bonus box, which is literally a huge box with coconut oils and bottles, things you'll need to use different recipes. So like almond oil, coconut oil, and then empty bottles like this so that you can make your own blends, which I will show you how to do in just a minute. So the rose sugar scrubs, coconut oil, almond oil, then some essential oils, sugar, and the rose petals. The only thing you'll need that doesn't come included for that recipe is the container to put it in, which I need to go to the dollar store and stock up on little glass containers. Spa Day roll-on, you always get a recipe for a roller, so I'll show you how to make that one too. This is just in an empty roller bottle that you'll get. And then fresh cut flowers diffuser blend. I'm gonna make this to show you guys as well. And then a bath powder, which I don't know what bath powder is, so we're gonna learn together. Almond oil, essential oils, bath powder, which comes in here. And then you mix it with the rose petals. I'm assuming it's just kind of like an additive to your bath, kind of get the aromatic. So it says mix essential oils and carrier oils together. Add bath powder to your oils, and then continue to add the powder until you reach your consistency. Oh, the bath powder will disperse the oils evenly throughout the bathtub. So that's something I did not know when I first started with oils. I would just add a couple of drops to the bathtub, and that's no good. That doesn't dilute them, and it doesn't disperse them into the bath. So you wanna dilute essential oils first before you put them in the bath, and then add them to like your salts or this bath powder, and this also comes with the box, bath salt soak. And I hope that's not backwards. Sorry if it is. This is not my normal way that I film. So it's Epsom salt, sea salt, and Hawaiian salt, and Dead Sea salt. Ooh, this sounds really nice. I'll have to go grab, I need different containers, so I won't make the bath salts yet, but we will make the roller together. So these are the labels that you will get. These go on the tops of the bottles so that you can see them if they're like stored in a drawer or when you're traveling, but there's labels for everything you're gonna make. So I'm just gonna take off the roller label, a Spa Day roll-on blend, and you just put it on, let me wipe this first, put it on your roller first, and then you add in what it's called for. And the roll-on is tangerine, downtime, and then a fraction, or it calls for fractionated coconut oil, but I'm going to use almond because that's what I had closer to my desk. So there's the roller, and that's super nice too. So you take the roller and the lid off of your empty bottle, and then you first add the essential oils. So this calls for tangerine and the downtime oil. Where did that recipe card go? So for tangerine, and you'll put the oils in first so that you can kind of give them a little swirl before you add your coconut oil. So that's the tangerine. You can also use a funnel for this too. It's helpful, especially if you're messy like I am. Oh, I did 4, that's okay. So for a 10 ml bottle, the dilution rate general, like 10 drops is pretty good. You can use more or less depending on age. Like if the person is elderly, if you're sensitive, the general guidelines is like 10, you're usually good. So if it calls for 4 and you do 6, or if you do 3, it's okay. That's basically what I'm saying. And then I'm gonna add some almond oil, and I hope I don't spill this because I do not have a funnel on hand. But you're just gonna fill it to the top with whatever carrier oil that you're using. And coconut oil is a popular one, but honestly, there are so many great carrier oils. I'm planning on doing a whole video on that soon. That was close enough. So you put the lid, the roller back on. I just feel like coconut oil is overrated and all of the others are underrated. So I want to kind of share all the different ones because there's so many skin benefits too in just like the carrier oils. So shake it, roll it, or gently roll it to mix it. Oh, this smells really good. It's super chill and calming, but it has that tangerine, so it's bright and uplifting too. I really like that. So now you have a roller, throw this in your bag. It's called Spa Day roll-on. Honestly, this would be good for stress. All of those oils are really calming and uplifting too. So I would just put that in my purse, actually. This is another thing that comes in your big bonus box, these empty amber bottles. And I will grab the label from here to make this one. This is called Fresh Cut Flowers. And so basically you are making your own diffuser blend. So you put your label on, And it's usually like 20 to 50 drops of the oils that you get. Did I do that right? Yeah. Okay, so there's my labeled bottle. And then these come, there's in there too. And then we screw it on, it plugs it down in there. So take this part off. And where is the bath? So you're gonna do 40 tangerine, 33 downtime, and 27 palmarosa. So I'm gonna add in those drops and maybe speed through this part because this is gonna take 33 downtime. It's a good idea to give the blends a little shake too, just because it is a blend of different oils. You wanna make sure they're all mixed together. And what did I say, 33 of this one? And then 27 drops palmarosa, which palmarosa is a really good oil to have to mix into blends like this because it has like so many notes and it's just kind of a light, I don't know, it's just a really great blending oil. 27 of this one. So now you take your lid and that little stopper is in there. You're gonna screw this on really tight until you hear it click, and then it will break the seal. Then when you unscrew, you'll have your topper in there, just like a regular essential oil bottle, and then your lid. So give this one a good shake too to mix all of these together. And I can already smell it because they kind of dripped as I was mixing them in. Another way, if you were interested in making your own blends of essential oils, something that you can do is take all of the bottles together, take all of the lids off, and smell them together like this. First note, like, what do you pick up first? And that is probably going to be the strongest oil. So start lower with that oil and then see which oil you smell next. And that probably will be your medium strength oil. So add a medium amount of that. And then for the one you smell last, that's probably the lesser potent oil. And that tends to be like citrus oils, and add the most of that oil so that it kind of gives you that balanced blend. And that's what Simply Earth really does a good job of. I think their blends are very balanced. I like them. So let's give this one a smell. Fresh cut flowers. It smells really good. It's sweet and floral and uplifting. It's kind of really good maybe for spring too. So I think that's it that I'm going to show you for this month. Again, my link to shop will be down below with that $45 back coupon code. It's TOREYNOORAFREE. I'll put it here. But if you have any questions, let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.